Well, hey everyone, Phil here, 33 Mile Bees, up here back at the North Apiary. Got a little bit of equipment in for the past couple days. Thought I'd come up, please take care of half of the hives. I'm still waiting on some bottom boards, top covers, and some other supplies to come in so I can at least finish letting these ones expand. Pretty much coming to the determination that this whole apiary is just going to be try and get them ready for the winter. Not going to try and get any honey off of them this year. I'll worry about that next year. I got one hive. I am going to put a honey super on it with the hopes of them possibly drawing it out, so I can get some drawn out frames at the least, but again, not going to plan on getting any honey off of it. So got a wagon load of equipment, and I don't know what else to say, but let's get to it. Some sunglasses. Reflection off of these is pretty brutal today. All right, let's get into this one here first, see what we got. And today is, I had to look, July 22nd. This is the one that we graduated from a 5-frame nuke into a 10-frame last week. They were busting at the seams. Let's see what we got. And let's see, we had added some frames. Let's take this end one out here, see how we're doing. Oh, she feels heavy. And that is after 1 week on the end frame. We have it drawn out and filled. That was a brand new frame, Premier Foundation. Wow. Alright, I'm just going to check one more frame here, see what this one looks like. But I'm pretty sure this one's ready to be graduated to 2 deeps. And got some brood area. Looks like they're already backfilling it with nectar. So definitely going to add a second deep. So we shall get, what I'll do is get 4 frames to put on the bottom. So in there. I don't typically do a whole lot of checkerboarding, but it does help. So let's see what this one here looks. Full of brood. It looks like they're back filling it with nectar. So let's get one of them in there. I do have a smoker, but I try not to use it. Bee bread on that side. We have larva, cat brood on that side. Move that one up. Put one more frame here. More brood and more brood. So this one's a pretty good queen in this one. So put this one here. Sorry, you can't see. Kind of set this one up on hard. Alright, so we got 3. Go up top. We got side. This one is lots of eggs. And okay. So I try not to put more than two. Try not to put two frames next to each other on the bottom part, at least. Slide all this back together. Center them. Let's get up here. Oh. Bring this box up. Alright, good there. Slide those over. And as I just said, I try not to put two next to each other, but sometimes it works out that way. I'm not about to go back down to the bottom and pull one more out. I messed with them enough. So, there's that one. Some of this off. The upper entrance there at the top. Alright, that one is done. That one was growing tremendously. Now this one here is one that we added a second deep to last time, and it's going to take a lot longer to fill out 10 frames than what it is for 5. So I'm going to say that this one will be okay. And I'm not going to dive into it. We still got, that one's not even close to being drawn out. They're just starting this one. And these ones are. So the next bunch of equipment that I bring up here, I will put a super on this one. If I had an extra one, I would put it on today. But what I'm going to do is the end one down there is going to get the honey super today. That one's been 2 deeps for a couple weeks now. So I'm going to use that one to draw the frames out. Oh, close this one back up. Down here to this one. I believe this one is one. They are doing okay. Hopefully they can make it. Quite a few bees in there. Hopefully they can make it a few more days. Today being Friday. I got, what do I got? I got 3 top and bottom boards, and got some more deeps, and I think like about a dozen more honey supers coming. Supposed to be here Monday, so hopefully I can get out of work early one of them days, and I will come up and finish off, move this one into a 10 frame, or this one, or all 3. So let's see, this one here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna, between these two, this, let's see, I'm gonna say this one here is probably the bigger one out of the 2 nukes. So I'm gonna see if I can turn this into a double nuke. So this one here, we will end up moving 2 up to the top. Take 2 out. And let's see what we can do here. plywood nukes that I got don't have as much room as the other nukes do, but for the price, I couldn't complain. This will probably be what I use next year when I sell nukes. Yeah. Good. Make sure there's no queen cups. Put them there. I'm gonna practice one. Way over here. Nothing that dry. Actually, a lot of brood, or drone brood, right up in the middle there. Just hanging down quite a bit. Alright, so that one there. Let's see how this one's doing. Lots of brood. And lots of brood on that side. All full of eggs. Move that one up. Alright, so we got two that got moved up top. Down below. We'll add two. And all the girls are all peeking at me. That. Slide them over. Add the other new one in. Alright, put this on top. Center it because they're a little bit different in size. This one you got centered real good. Put the lid back on. Make sure it's good closed up. Alright. So, yeah, I won't spare you the boring part of the last hive down there. I'm just going to throw a super on it real quick, and that is going to be it for today for up here. Again, hopefully, as long as all the equipment comes in, I can at least move this one to a 10 frame, and possibly at the same time, actually probably put them in a double deep, since they are building out real good. And so we'll be able to put 5 and 5, or we'll see, maybe like 7 and 3, something like that. But we'll graduate them to a 10 frame. So I'll bring a bottom board, top cover, and this one here, instead of going to a double deep, this one's got room for now. We'll just move this one right to a 10 frame. So I'll have to bring up a couple setups, and probably another honey super, let them build out some more comb on this one, and we'll go from there. But we'll see how things go, possibly depending on the heat today. Again, we're in Michigan and it's really dry right now, really hot, and we're running like 90-95% humidity, low 90s, kind of abnormal for Michigan. So we'll see how things go. Perhaps catch you on next video, or maybe down at the main apiary. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like these videos, subscribe, help me build up the algorithm. So I need some watch hours. Hopefully you watch these, watch the whole video. If you got any questions, emails below in the description. Go ahead and email me any questions. comment on the videos, anything like that. Other than that, 33 Mile Bees, I'm out of here.